Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your iPhone camera black screen in simple steps. Step 1. Force quick quit the camera app. First swipe up from the bottom and hold. Find the camera app, then swipe it up to close it, then reopen the camera. This fixes the issue if the app is stuck. Step 2. Switch camera modes. First switch between photo, then video, then portrait. Tap the front back camera switch icon. If one lens switching, force it to reload. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, drag power off, then turn it back on. A quick restart resets the camera engine. Step 4. Check app permissions. Go to the settings, scroll to the privacy and security, then tap camera. Make sure apps like Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp have permissions. Sometimes camera freezes because another app blocks it. Step 5. Close all apps using camera. Apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram or Zoom might be using the camera in the background. Close them from the switcher. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset. Tap reset all settings. No data is deleted. This resets misconfigured camera settings. This is how you can fix your iPhone black screen. This is how you can fix your iPhone camera black screen. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.